right there on the high and all of that. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Down a Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican Cooking Journey. And if you're so new right on over here, special welcome. And to those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, we will be preparing some crispy fried chicken and ackee. Yeah, you know, say saltfish and ackee go together, but there are so many things as I have showed you on this channel here, and I'm going to leave in the description the link to all of my ackee videos to show you what you can do with ackee outside of with saltfish. I have one there with crispy fried chicken back. Now this is crispy fried chicken. So you want to get parts from the chicken. And this, what part of the chicken, Miss Debbie? Any ayotus part. What does the word ayotus mean? It's just a little old time, some old time people, them know what it did mean. You know, it's any part. So right here I have, and you want to chop it like this. This is a wing, this is part of the wing. And I have chopped it in 2. Yeah, I've chopped it in 3. So I have a wing, I have a piece of neck, I have a drumstick, all those little pieces, and I think I have a little piece of breast or something, or thigh. So you want to chop them in fine pieces like this. This is already seasoned with just scallions and garlic and all of that, and a little salt, but I have removed them because the real thing of this dish is you want to get this chicken fried crispy. You don't want to get some boiled up chicken or some fried saggy chicken. Okay? You want to get some crispy fried chicken mixing with the ackee, which I've already cooked my ackee here and I have left it to drain. Okay? Thus making the pegs all whole. Another trick to ackee, you are to cook your ackee ahead of time, drain your ackee, and leave your ackee right there to dry on its own. Somebody I think had asked me on a recent live what caused them ackee to taste bitter. But you know, sometimes when the wheat is in, the thought is out. The water that comes from the ackee when it's cooked has a bitterish taste. Because the ackee is of that nature, it has a gassy nature. So if you strain when you cook your ackee, or if you have the tin ackee, when you get the taste of that water from it, it has a gassy taste, a bitterish taste. So when you taste your ackee sort of bitterish, maybe it could be that you did not drain your ackee properly. Draining your ackee properly also helps you to have whole pegs within your ackee, whatever you put it with. You know, sometimes you see people fix ackee, unless you want to have your ackee all mashed. Oh, the whole thing of this ackee, and serving mashed ackee to people, it's really a turn off. So you want to have your pieces of chicken finely chopped, seasoned to your liking. These were seasoned with all natural herbs, and I removed every single piece because I'm going to be frying them crispy. So when you taste it mixed with the ackee, you can just chew up almost all the bones and everything. That is the beauty of this dish. When you put the chicken, do it crispy and mix it with the ackee. I am going to go now, get my oil preheated. I'm going to chop some of these because we are going to put these in there. I'm using red bell pepper, a piece of it, not a lot, because I don't use tomatoes in my ackee. If you're a person that uses it, feel free and go ahead. But I'm going to show you at some point when the chicken gets crispy and nice and you're ready for the ackee, and you put in the tomato, you're going to have, even though them crispy, them are going to come safi, unless that's how you want it. And as I said, if you want to enjoy it as I'm showing you, you would have to leave out the tomatoes, because the tomatoes is going to make it soggy. So I'm going to use a little piece. Mind you, I'm not going to use a lot, you know, because bell peppers are strong. So I'm not going to use the olive to take away the ackee and the chicken taste. So I'm going to use a few chopped pieces of this, some of the green, Of course, this is a must. And of course, this is a must. This also. And I'm going to be using 2 pegs of garlic, even though I have pre-seasoned it with garlic. Okay? And if you're new right on over here, remember to make sure so you subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. Remember to press the option all. I gotta say this now in the middle of the starting of the videos, because I know some people, most of the times they don't watch to the end. So remember to make sure you're subscribed and make sure that you're watching my ads so I can able to buy a little more niceness. So I can able to buy the things and to make the party video for you. Everybody wants a party video. So but if you don't watch my ads them, I'm not go get no money to do this, buy the stuff, forget the party. Okay? So remember to, when you see my ads, don't click off them. Please and thank you. Gonna go get our oil preheated, chop all of this, and when we return, oil will be there heated, and I'll show you how and when you must put this chopped seasoned chicken in the oil. Must soon come. Okay, now family, went ahead. I did my little chopping. I did my onion rings. I did my scallions. I sliced a few 2 pegs of garlic. I chopped a little red, a little green bell pepper, and of course my 2 slices of scotch bonnet. So you can start from now by looking at the incorporation of the colors when we are finished. These will have a different color. They will be brown, properly brown and crispy. Right on over here inside Jessie, you would need a Dutch pot, which is Jessie. Jessie is considered a Dutch pot or a cast iron skillet to do this type of frying. So the oil must be relatively hot. Okay? So you're going to put it in hot oil and we are going to be covering it over. This is chicken. It needs some cooking. So whilst it's cooking, and as soon as all the excess moisture from it is removed, I will not be adding any water. Then it will start frying on its own. Remember, listen, it is chicken. You have to cook it, make it cook through first, then it start to fry. So it has some moisture in there now. It's natural moisture. So whilst the heat is under there, you know, and it's been cooked, the moisture is being released. So after a portion of time, or after a certain time, you'll find out that it starts getting dry. Thus it starts getting crispy. That is what we want. So when the moisture starts drying out and it starts to get crispy, I will return. Must soon come in depth. You never see me for the longest while, but I'm back, baby. And I'm back with a bang. I'm back, very much back. This is something I want you to take a note of, especially when you're frying up stuff. If you can listen, you'll hear the sizzling of the frying in there. Some of the liquid is being receded, and maybe it will start popping. I don't know if I boil chicken or girl chicken this time. I don't know about that one there, okay? You can hear it. What I want you to learn when you're doing this and you're going to turn it, the very first thing, I'm on almost to high because it needs high heat. You're going to bring it down to the very lowest. Why? Because you want to go into that pot right now and you do not want to get yourself burned. So when you lower the flame, the popping will stop. Okay? Now you lower the flame and you give it 30 seconds. That's good. Now that you have lowered the flame, you want to turn. Now look at that. All the liquid have been receded and it's getting all dried. Normally when we are cook up some chicken, when you see it like that, you would want to add some water. But we are not adding any water to this. And remember, you are not to flour the chicken. So we are going to go now and we're going to get it turned from the bottom. Look at that. Might stick, that doesn't matter. Just use a little pressure, a little force, and it will come up. Okay? This is what was happening under the bottom. This is one side that you're shooting them up. Yeah, everybody, you want them fried, crispy, cock up and bossy. When they are properly fried, crispy to all you want it, then just cock up some bossy. Okay? Alright. Now that you have turned them, get them onto the other side. Up back with your flame, and you want to cover it again because it is going to continue frying. Somebody might say, Miss Debbie, it can go build up steam. Yes, it's going to build up the steam. But as soon as it builds up its own steam in there, and you not add no more water to it, it will stay there and evaporate on its own. So when you see me next, these will be properly fried. Cock up, bossy, crispy. Like any when you chew a double six. And we'll proceed. Me soon come. Family, this is where we're at. And I've lowered my flame a bit. And this is how you want your chicken. Look at, let me take up some that you can see. That should them up on it. This is how you see this. Look at the oil on it. And it just, you can see it's crispy to the bone, to the core. And when that happens, your chicken are going to come down to about half. Because it shrink up. Yeah. Okay. And you don't try to burn it. Now look down inside here. You see it have a little niceness. But at this point, I realize that I have too much oil. So I'm going to go remove a little of my oil. And I will return. I soon come. Okay, I have removed about half the amount of oil. And I want you to look at this niceness down in the pot. There. You will not get that in your non-stick. So you use your cast iron. Look at this. It is quite evident that from where you are, this is crispy fried chicken. Remember, do not flour the chicken. You must be on the low at this point because you're going to put in these and it is going to give you that sizzle. And you might have a little popping again. So you must be on the low. But look at me here. So you want to put in these, put in all of these. But you put in this, which is the garlic, you put it in last. So let me put in all of these. Let you see what I'm doing. Let you see how you're supposed to do yours. And don't say, Miss Debbie, you know me try it and me not get it. You're supposed to get it. That's what I do. So this is your garlic for the very last. At this point, don't linger. Don't lay right up back with your flame. Right there, right now. And you're going to incorporate. Look at me here. Beautiful. In this crispy fried chicken. Make sure your onions are all rinsed out. So for me, so. Look here. You're not going to make them sit down. You're not going to cover the pot again, you know, for now. So you're not going to make them sit down and burn up and get fried out and saggy. Look at me here. Right there on the high. And all of that. No. Right here. Right now. This is what you're putting in. Not with a whole heap of water running down in there. And all of that. These are some of the little things that you have got to learn to master in cooking. Look at me here now. Right on down. From the bottom and over. From the bottom up and over. What a beauty. You can put a little black pepper if you so chooses, which I am going to be doing. Take your time with your ackee. Now, but the nature up the ackee on the very high and let it stay right there. Me soon come. When I return, I'll be all ready for you. Do not make the onion like cook out and saggy and flat down and hang down. No. I'm going to put me a little pinch of black pepper. You don't have to. And when I return, some of this crispy fried chicken and ackee will be plated up just for you. Me soon come. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, this is crispy fried chicken and ackee. Please do enjoy. Now, you can serve this with fried dumplings. You can serve this with hard-boiled Jamaican food. You can serve this with rice and peas. This is such a beauty. What do you know about ackee and rice and peas? What do you know about that? You can serve this with hard dough bread. You can serve this with some white rice. You know, first time people used to say stretch white rice. Yeah. You can do it with biscuits, whatever you want to serve it with. Just take it, make it your own. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, remember, as I said before, to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. You stay subscribed. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. Press the option all so you won't miss any of these videos. And the link to all or that you need, or PayPal or Cash App, all our information onto how to get onto us will be in the description of this and all my videos to come or prior. Okay? Remember to be you, do you, most of all love you. Stay blessed, stay sterilized, sanitize up the place, and most of all, don't worry. Just take it calm as we go through this pandemic together. We will get through. Okay? I love you so much. Love you, love you, love you.